What's up, guys? In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can set a video to Premiere. Okay, so first of all you need to go to this desktop site of YouTube on your device and then click on your channel. Okay, and here you just need to go to this plus icon where you can upload a video. Okay, and you just need to select the video. So
Okay, law.
so I just chose a random video to show this. Now you can just you can put the title. Okay, and you can choose the thumbnail and stuff. And after that you just have to click on this next button and then click on next once again, click on next once again, and here you will get this public. Okay, here you'll get the visibility. So this is the public visibility. Like once you upload, your audience will be able to see that. If you click on instant premiere, then your video is gonna go on premiere. Like it's gonna start a countdown of 2 minutes, and after that 2 minutes your video will be live, and anybody in your audience can chat in the live chat. If you click on the schedule here, you can like uh, you can schedule when your video wants to be uploaded. Okay, but the audience will not be able to see like whenever your video wants to be uploaded, you can upload it. Okay, and set as premiere means if you just click on this question mark, you can see when you set your video as premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. Like it will create a watching page where you can set the reminder, and you can interact with like your viewers. Okay, it's as simple as that. If I click on set as premiere, a watch page will be created where it's gonna where the you'll get a button called set reminder. There it'll, if you click on the set reminder, whenever the video goes live, you will be notified. There'll be like a 2-minute countdown as well. So yes guys, that's it for this video. Hope you got to know about this Premiere thing. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.